Hello, it is Wednesday. I did not film Monday or Tuesday. Monday, I'm putting my skincare on. Monday, I had my doctor's appointment, and I do have an entire video on that on my Finding My Tiara page, so I'm not going to go into any of that right now. Right now, we're going to discuss, I gotta think about what I'm doing, what's going on outside my house. They just stopped for right now. I filmed a little bit out of my bedroom window. It was wet on the inside. It's the only window in the house that way. What? I don't know. I don't know why the inside was wet. I think maybe I need to replace that window. But that's the point. I heard from Wesley, who wanted to revisit the easement part because he's stuck, like I said, and he needs my backyard. So we come to an agreement I'm very pleased with. And he is coming over, not this Friday, but next Friday, along with my sister-in-law, just to make sure everything's on the up and up. And we're going to discuss exactly all the details of the easement. Then he called my sister-in-law and asked her, would it be okay if they put those, I forgot what they're called. And if you can hear Nathan coughing, he's still got a cough. That's it. It's just a cough. He's not sick. That stuff they put up so there's not runoff from the dirt. Anyway, they put it right on the line. Well, they don't have room because that piece of land is that small. Yes, 0.17 of an acre. It's long and narrow, and he can't get equipment down in there. So he did ask if he could move those over 10 feet. And when they were done doing what they were doing, they would, fix it back. So I wanted to know exactly what he's talking about. So he sent his site manager over, and nice guy. And he showed me where, but that's not what's going on outside right now. Right now is, I believe, the water department, the Buncombe County Water Department, and they have blocked with trucks. Our driveway's blocked, the whole front of our house is blocked. They're digging basically not on that side of the property, on my side of the property. But I can't say anything, it's the city water. I mean, this is not Wesley's. This is not his crew, this is the water department. So they've dug a big hole, and right now, I think they're down in the hole. I filmed a little bit, so I'll insert it. I'll insert that for footage right now. Here's the view from my bedroom window. This is what we see right now. The, where that is, that's the actual line. But they don't have enough room to work, so he did ask if he could come over into our yard a little bit. Yeah, I'll take you and show you in front of my house, but the whole front of our house is full of trucks. And somebody's going to have to move a truck for us to get out. Sorry, there's water. Oh, that water's on the inside. Crap. Look at there. So yeah, that's my view. Okay, so it's just craziness. It's just, and it's going to continue because I agreed to that easement. We haven't signed papers or anything yet. I haven't received the money yet. But basically, they're going to be digging up my entire backyard. I will be recovering, so you might not hear much of that because I don't know how much I'm actually going to be able to film while all this stuff's going on. But here, between now and my cruise, at least, they are making some noise over there. So they promised the part in my yard they're going to have to use, they're basically going to have to make like a road to run a forklift to carry materials. That's what Jesse said. And he'll fix it back even better than it was before. I'm okay with that. So my yard might get a really nice makeover out of all this, plus I got paid for it. What a mess. But anyway, today my son's going to get a haircut. Grandpa is taking him. Grandpa has always took him since he was little because that's part of his autism. He just don't want his hair cut. But they have their own hairdresser. They've got their own lady, and they go, and she does a really good job with Nathan's hair. And she's been doing his hair now for years. So she understands him. They're fine. They know how it all works. Everybody's cool. And he has a nice haircut. It's the first time I sent a picture of Daniel Radcliffe with him. So he's got like a Daniel Radcliffe. Did you watch last week's video? My little sneaky video of my son. He needed a haircut, but he's got like a Daniel Radcliffe kind of dude going on. I like it. I think she does a great job. So, I don't even know where they go. I know she's Japanese. She's actually from Japan. Nathan said she is Japanese, and she definitely has an accent. So, I think it's Aiko or something like that is her name. He didn't really talk about it. But he also cuts Grandpa's hair. Or she also cuts Grandpa's hair. So they're both getting a haircut. And let's see, while they're gone, sorry, here they go again. While they're gone, we are going to run down to the furniture store and pick out a recliner and purchase it. And then after they're done, they're going to meet us down there because Grandpa has a truck. And going to bring it back. I don't know. Somebody's got to move something so we can get the recliner in. But yeah, Grandpa's going to bring it back for us. He can't lift because of his lung surgery, you know. But he can drive the truck. So that's part of the plan. Then after that, I think we're going to go see Bohemian Rhapsody and eat at our movie theater. I say ours. We talk sort of like that. I got to move my ring light. Here's my ring light. You want behind the scenes? There's my ring light. I got to move it out of the way. So I can get in my drawer here. It's going to fall. Oh, I just don't have enough room, people. This house is just too small. My house is 1,100 square feet. My house before was much bigger. So I'm trying to cram everything in 1,100 square feet. But the difference is this house is paid for. That house, he owed a lot of money. So, you know what? I can live in smaller area, but oh, I really could use some more rooms. But anyway, what was I talking about? Oh, our movie theater. Oh, I thought that was, just move that out. Our movie theater is called the Carolina. It's a Carmike theater, and it has the recliners, and they have food. You can order like from a menu, and they bring you your food. It's really nice. And on Tuesdays, although this is not Tuesday, Tuesdays, all movies, all day is only $5. Can you believe that? We love it. And excuse me, technically, it's within walking distance of this house. I mean, I personally don't want to walk it, but it's an easy walk. You just have to go down a 6-lane major road, but there is sidewalks from here to there. Our city has a rule, a law, that any building or any remodeling of a building, you've got to put sidewalk in the front. So now we have sidewalks. I probably could walk all the way to downtown Asheville on a sidewalk, which I actually kind of like that. I think that's a great thing. Now, it's a 15-minute drive downtown, so it'd probably take me all day to get there. But I could do it if I needed to. But yeah, the theater's not that far from here. I like where we live. Our other house, which I did love my other. If I could have taken my other house and brought it and set it right here, I would be just absolutely in heaven. This house is in a good neighborhood, and it has I have great neighbors, and it's in easy distance to everything I need. When we lived in our other house, we were in a different county, and we were out in the country, and it took us, on a good day, 30 minutes to get here, 45 to get downtown Asheville. But most of the time it's not a good day. There's a lot of traffic, so it could take much longer. And so that's why we like living here. My poor mug has had it. This is from the Polynesian Resort. And look, all the Mickey and everything's coming off of it. But I've had this mug 4 years. So I've had it a long time. And let's see. So, yeah, we're going to try to go see Bohemian Rhapsody, I think, today. We've got to get Nathan his government ID. I don't know if that's today or tomorrow. I got to get groceries. I think I've decided that can be tomorrow. Yeah. I've just got a lot to do. My sister-in-law asked me if she could set up this thing it's called Take Them a Meal. And she says she's going to set it up where people, if they want to bring us a meal, there'll be it's a website. You can go in and there'll be a calendar with days, and it'll have the foods we like to eat. And you go in and pick a day and what you're going to bring. So there's not a lot of repeats, you know. And also on there, if you don't live nearby and you don't want to bring your own food, you can order meals. The meals are feed 3 to 4 adults, and they are fresh made and then shipped, frozen. And all they need is to be warmed up. And so, if any of you are interested in sending me a meal, I don't want to sound like I'm begging for food, but I am a bit worried about that part of it. About, I'm not going to be able to cook. And my husband grills. He can make eggs, So I do have a little bit of a fear of what we're going to eat. And I don't want to blow all our money on, ordering meals out every day. I mean, that can get expensive. So if you're interested, let me know. And what my sister-in-law said she'll need is an email. She'll just need your email address, and then you can go over it. And if you just want the info about it, just need your email address and give it to her, and then you can see if you want to do it or not. It's up to you, or whatever. Or maybe you want to do it in your area for somebody you know. It's great for moms who's had new babies or someone who's had a death. Anything like that. So put that out there. But I like the idea because I worry a little bit. I predict my first 2 or 3 days after my surgery, I'm going to sleep. I've only had surgery once. It was a tubal sterilization, and it was outpatient, and it wasn't anywhere near what I'm going to be going through with this. And it was just done through my belly button, and I slept for 3 days with a brand new baby at home. Poor Brian. I slept 3 days. So I just know how I am with anesthesia, and I'm probably just going to sleep. So, but my boy's still got to be fed. All right. Use a little of this eyeshadow primer. I think I'm going to need some more eyeshadow primer. I'm trying to use up these little ones I got. I have never owned a full size. This will probably be this week's vlog. I'm going to tell you that right now. It's probably just going to be this. I will film some of the outside and show you what's going on, especially after they're gone, not while they're all out there. What eyeshadow. My Sephora order's coming today. So, and I wore this yesterday, but I didn't get it dirty. So I'm gonna wear it again today. My Sephora order's coming today. I'm gonna try my best to film it as soon as I can. More drugs. I know I whispered that. That's a Southern thing. You whisper certain words. You don't say, like, cancer. You whisper that. So, let's see. I'm not explaining nothing. We're just talking. We're putting on makeup. I probably won't have a chatty get ready with me on my other channel. So you'll just have to chatty get ready with me right now. I have to use this one. Because I think I'm just going to do this whole thing. I'm filming on my phone, though, instead of the camera. Oh, I got to do my brows. I'm fixing up a little bit more than I have been because I'm going out in public. More than just to the furniture store. Do you do that? If I know I'm just going like one place, like when I went to the doctor's office on Monday, I didn't even put eyeshadow on. I put bronzer, and as I put my bronzer and my blush on, I dusted it on my eyes and then put some mascara on. So, gosh. You know, this Chila stuff's good, but I just hate this brush. Can you see that? That is just a mangled mess. I'm starting to say a bad word. You hear all that, right? I know you do. Because it's not over there. It is right out there. Grandpa will be here at 10. Oh, my clock in my little filming area. Crap. My clock in my filming area has died. I still have it sitting there, but I need to move it. What did I do? It's dead. It's not working anymore. It's not the battery. I like that clock. You know, I've only had it since probably around 1986. I mean, you know, why'd you die? So, my husband's ironing. I heard the ironing board. That's something I need. I need a new ironing board pad. You know, I'm not gonna worry about it till after all this is done. See, things like that pop in my head, and I'm like, I have to decide, is that something that I need to take care of in the next 3 weeks? No, don't think so. I'm drinking Trader Joe's pumpkin spice coffee with hazelnut creamer, and my sweetener is English toffee, sugar-free syrup. What's that? Torani? Is that the name of it? It tastes good. Oh, guys, you're making a lot of noise out there. I'm using these new brushes Beauty Big Bang sent me, which was so nice. They also are sending me some other stuff, and their shipping takes a little long. And I'm afraid that stuff won't come in time for me to review. And they've been so good to me. Might have to review later. But I forgot what they said they're sending me. It's just a few things. I've tried or have just about everything on their website. As far as cosmetics. They have other things, by the way, if you want to go over and check out Beauty Big Bang. I'll put the link below in this one because I don't have my affiliate links in this video, but I think I'll go ahead and put them all. I re-dyed my hair. You can't really see it. It needs to be fixed, but I used a different shade. You can't really see. I'll try to get all prettied for you up on my other channel here soon. So you can see my new hair color. It's blonde. It's just, I think I'm Roma now instead of Pisa. I actually think I like Pisa better. I do. It's just Pisa wasn't enough to lighten my roots. So I just don't, I might go back to Pisa. I liked that. It was a really nice, cool blonde color. I liked it better, I think. It just didn't, like I said, didn't do my roots. It wasn't lightening my roots, because usually I always buy the lightest to do my roots. So I have this color coming again, and I'll try it out. I got makeup on my hairline. All right, I need to get ready because I don't know what time it is. I know I have time. Gosh, they are loud, aren't they? I always do that. I want to do something new. I want to do something new. Do I want to go with a shimmer in my crease? I don't think this spiced rum, it's glitter. Can you see that? It doesn't go on, you see. I don't think that's gonna work in my crease. Bake it till you make it. It's kind of coppery. It's coppery. You see that? I'm liking Spice is Nice and Figgy Pudding and Reindeer Paws. But you know, I'm getting tired of them because I've been using this palette. I need to. Huda Beauty's coming today. My Naked palette. So I'll probably put this one aside for a while. And I ordered from Tarte today. I ordered the bag and the pieces and yeah, I did that. I don't want Spice is Nice. Let's go. I'm gonna go with Reindeer Paws. Yeah, I knew I was going to. When I got the email that it was coming, I was like, yeah, it's a great deal. I ordered this stick foundation. I might hook up my lights tonight and see how night filming. Maybe I can get some filming done if I do it at night. I normally film during the day, so I have like the light from the windows, because I don't have the exterior light boxes, and I'm definitely not going to buy them right now. That's not on my agenda for now, but maybe after all this is done, I'll expand a bit. What they're doing out there. They're digging a big hole. I know they're putting in the water line. I do know what they're doing. It's the water department. It's not Wesley's crew. This is the water department. So, I mean, I can't like say anything about that. This is the water department. I've got to wash my brushes. I need a cabana boy to come take care of me. Wouldn't we all like to have a cabana boy come take care of us? I think so. I think we all need a cabana boy. I'm gonna try to pick me one up on the cruise. If I find me a cabana boy on the cruise, I'll take a picture and show you guys, because I'm gonna look for a cabana boy. You know I'm kidding, but I might find me a cute guy. Take a picture. Oh, that's not too bad. All right. Oh. I have noted, I have been doing YouTube videos over 2 years now, I think. When I first started doing videos, my eyes watered so bad, and my nose itched so much more. And isn't that crazy? I don't have a problem with eyes watering unless I'm tearing up and crying. My eyes don't water anymore. And I know now certain foundations make my nose itch. So that's crazy. I have a little cough. I edit them out. I might leave this one in. I just coughed a while ago. That is from my blood pressure medication. And I cough twice. It's always 2 times. It's a dry cough, and it's caused from my blood pressure medication. And it's covered by my insurance, so it costs me $2. I'm going with bake it till you make it here. And I had talked to Dr. Snoddy about it. He said there was another kind. He prescribed it. It wasn't covered by my insurance, and it was $75. So, but I didn't cough. So let's just say I will pay $2 and cough. I always edit them out. So if you see some kind of like weird little editing where it looks like I'm continuing a sentence, but yeah, I've had a cough. So there you go. That's a little behind the scenes. And rarely do I sneeze. Every once in a while I'll sneeze. I'll cut that out. But that little cough sneaks up on me. I do it a lot, and it's, ooh, I think I'm getting a little fancy for furniture shopping. A little fancy for furniture shopping. But why not? Right? I've got this stuff. I need to use it. Like with my shirts, because I'm not going to be wearing any makeup for a little while there. I bought this makeup and then, but I will wear it after all is said and done. I have a new outlook on life. You know how I like to wear a little glitter every day? My gosh, my gosh. I don't know what the heck they're doing. I mean, he's right outside my window, up in the, I don't know. And they have the road almost completely blocked. Grandpa's going to be mad when he comes. But, yeah, I'm going to glitter. I'm going to shine. I'm going to be me. I'm not going to worry about what people think, about what I'm wearing. I'm just happy that I am here. Oh, don't cry. I'll be very happy when all this is over with. But yeah. Oh, I'm going to go with this Warm and Toasty, which is gold. I don't know how this is going to work. Let me try my finger. There we go. The light is horrible. I'm sorry. Because I just have my one little light up here, and it's diffused because it's a covered light, you know. And then I have a lamp right here without a shade, but it has a daylight lamp, light bulb in it. It looks good to me, but I know you're not seeing it. You got shadows, and I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. This drawer sticks, so if you shake, I'm sorry. Ooh, I don't think I'm gonna bother with liner. Just put some mascara on. That Tarte sale today, I like this Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I got this the last Tarte sale, and I like it a lot, and they had a waterproof version. So that Lash Paradise is okay, not my favorite. So I think I got the waterproof version of this. I think that's what I'm gonna take with me on the cruise, because I like this mascara. So I will test the waterproof one out. I will try my best to film as much as I can on that cruise, and I come back, we'll get back late Friday. Brian's working that Saturday and Sunday. I will try to edit, and film what I can, and I hope to have all my little ducks in a row by then. And then Monday and Tuesday to finally get stuff. Brian will be off Monday and Tuesday. He's going to be off for 7 days. Well, 2 days before. And then he'll be off through the following weekend. So I'll have him to help take care of me, I think, during the worst part. And then he'll be back on his regular schedule. But I have Nathan here. I have my sister-in-law, who's just, my house shook. I have my sister-in-law. I have my mother-in-law. I have my father-in-law. I think I'm gonna be okay. And I have Monica across the street. And if I need, I have Carl. have a sneaky feeling Carl is like this. I have a sneaky feeling Carl's going to end up doing some yard work in my yard. Because when well, you know, I inherited this house. And then when we had decided that we were going to move in and we're having work done, we'd come and the yard would be mowed. And Carl goes, well, I was mowing, so I just mowed your yard too. So I have a sneaky feeling. Well, it'll be winter, but I have a sneaky feeling Carl will come over and they're great. Like I said, I've known Monica since 7th grade. So I'm very happy she's just across the street. Her daughter, Michael, is getting married Saturday. She's got her hands full right now. In fact, well, I can't even see her car because of the trucks. I don't think she's working this week because they're doing a wedding at her father's house, Monica's father's house, which is gorgeous. Which is up the hill, just, I can see it from out here. They're having the wedding in his yard and it's family only. And Michael, her daughter, has requested oh my God, the whole house should. Requested Thanksgiving meal. My house is shaking, people. What the heck? What have I done? I got money in my pocket that's paying for things I really need right now. But that's what I get in return. I don't know how long all this mess is gonna take. Highlighter. I think not. I haven't brushed my teeth yet. I'm doing a video and I haven't brushed my teeth. So I'm not gonna put my lips on yet. So I think it's a good time to stop. I need to brush my hair. I'm gonna brush my hair. I haven't even done that. This is how I woke up. I'm gonna brush my hair and then just pull it back on top of my head because it needs washed. And my doctor liked, here, I'm just gonna take my hair down. It's just us. I'm not that vain. You can see my hair needs brushed. I got these at Ulta. My hair's in it. It come in a pack. I got, oh shoot, my house is shaking, people. I got this color and I got a pink color. And I had this in my hair and my surgeon loved it. She asked me where I got them. She's got long blonde hair too. So, that's it. She's about, she may be a little younger than me. She may be in her 40s. I don't think she's in her 50s. If she's in her 50s, she sure doesn't look like she's in her 50s. This is bugging me. I don't know if I got enough bang. You know, I think I might want some more bangs. I'm digging these eye color shadows. It does not look good in the camera. It looks great in my mirror right here, but it doesn't look good in the camera. Well, it's not that it doesn't look good. It just doesn't look its best. So, you think I could go with my hair down today? I don't know. I don't know. I prefer the look of my hair down, but then I get, you know, it's just like, oh, I want it just off of me. So, guys, I'm gonna go. Rambling. I'm going to film later from the backyard and show you what all's going on over here after these dudes are gone. My house is shaking. What the heck? And then, yeah, I might film some more this week. It just depends. Today and tomorrow is crazy. Probably won't have a chat to get ready with me. I told you on my other channel. Yeah. So this might be it for this week. You just might get this. And this is already almost 34 minutes. And you know what? I don't even think I'm going to edit it. Boom, just put it up. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put it up. Leave it like it is. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And I will see you next time.